I've got some electrifying news for you guys today. Oh my God, Las Vegas is about to get a whole lot greener. And I'm not talking about the casino's felt tables. The city has just secured a whopping $3.2 million to install over 100 new EV charging ports. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how awesome that is? Right, so here's the deal. Las Vegas has managed to bag $3.2 million in funding for this massive project. And when I say massive, I mean it. We're talking about 185 new EV charging ports, you guys. That's like a lot of plugs for a lot of cars. The best part? These charging stations aren't going to be hidden away in some dodgy car park. No. They're planning to put them near parks and community centers. How cool is that? You can charge your car while you're out having a picnic or, I don't know, learning pottery or something. And these charging stations are going to be open to the public. That means anyone with an electric car can just roll up and juice up their ride. Now, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. First off, it's great for the environment. More charging stations mean more people will feel confident about buying electric cars. And more electric cars mean less pollution. It's like a domino effect, but with clean air instead of little rectangular blocks. But it's not just about saving the planet, although that's pretty important if you ask me. This project is going to be amazing for the community too. It'll make Las Vegas more attractive to eco-conscious tourists, boost the local economy, and maybe even inspire other cities to follow suit. Who knows, maybe we'll see charging stations popping up everywhere like casinos in Vegas. Anyway, that's the scoop on Las Vegas's electrifying new project. It's pretty exciting stuff, right? I mean, who would have thought that Sin City would be leading the charge, pun totally intended, in green transportation? So next time you're in Vegas, keep an eye out for those shiny new charging stations. And hey, maybe consider swapping your gas guzzler for an EV. The planet will thank you, and now so will Las Vegas.